Today I'm sandpapering the frame. I need a belt sander. I could just be like this. This is a dangerous invention, only to be used by professionals such as myself. Whoa! Whoa, it's good, baby. Today I'm sandpapering the frame because we're currently waiting on gaskets and valve spring compressor. So I'm gonna sandpaper this frame so it's fresh looking, because it's got stickers on it, it's got nasty scratches from the R6 while trailering it. So I'm gonna go at it with this 320 grit and work my way up and see what we can make of this frame. Here's some scratches down here. Looks like there's a little clear coat over it. I need a belt sander. I could just be like this. I mean, look how freaking chrome though this is gonna look. Holy crap. What? Not if I have a belt sander though. You see this? Like gleaming. My circular tool is gonna look like shit, right? My Dremel's gonna take forever. No, I have a circular sander. I gotta order a belt sander, god damn it. Well, there goes that. I don't know what else I can do on this. Alright, well, Justin here got the air nozzle for the air compressor to do some full blasting so we can get out all the Frida hair out of the engine here. I would ask you guys if these tappets are all perfectly round, but... Oh, you did? Are you shitting me? When's it get in? Dude, next week's fucking Christmas. Next week it's going down. The gixxer's getting hammered. Yeah. So we're gonna make sure none of these are misshaped, because if they're misshaped, the valves will get stuck, and that leads for a lot of, it causes a lot of leaks and issues with it running as well. So I can't really ask you guys if these are all perfectly straight circles because the camera lens is a little warped, but it's ready to charge. All right, hit it. We got some gixxer parts. Clutch plate kit. Oh yeah, we got the full worky works. Look at the size of this, Justin. I think it's for like a truck engine. Semi. Holy shit, it's huge. Wow, this is OEM. Factory tested. Suzuki. Brand new clutch. Alright, we got everything. No, we don't.
There's blue dust all over that thing.
All over what? Really? Yeah, I cleaned the pistons off and everything. I know you guys didn't get to see that. I'm sorry. I used a red Scotch-Brite pad and WD-40 and it worked really well. Sorry you guys didn't get to see that, but the pistons look great. There was some carbon buildup on them. That was about it. So, I popped out the valve spring. I have a valve spring compressor tool I've been using. Yeah, it's nice. It does the job. Got the little clips out here. Stuck them in there. Been seating the valves. Suction cupping. Got the compound here as well. I know. You guys are all really impressed. But, I'm going to do this cleaning technique, and this is where you guys are going to be absolutely triggered. So let's go through this. So what I do first is I check out the valve. So these were the exhaust valves. Exhaust side. So I assume these are exhaust valves. Can I get an amen, Garrett? Amen. Alright. So as you can see here, there is a ton of carbon buildup on it. And that's worrisome, but obviously once I clean it off there should be no issues. And my first method of cleaning it off is sticking it directly in a drill. and letting it tighten down on the stem here. Making sure it's really tight. Well, not too tight, but as tight as I can get it. Alright. And then I use the Scotch-Brite pad that's red in my friend WD-40. Spray WD on Scotch-Brite. Grab valve like so and spin away. Now take a little pad here, wipe it down. Check it out. It's looking pretty clean. But it can be cleaner, baby. Let's hit it again. All right. There's still one little dot in the center that just kills me, man. And it's gone. There's a clean as fuck valve ready to go. Ready to go back in. Now we have a very triggering new tool that I invented myself. It's basically a massive Scotch-Brite penis, basically. And what I do now is I use the rod from the valve spring compressor, and I slide it through a series of zip ties around a Scotch-Brite pad covered in WD-40, absolutely smothered in it. And then use these tweezers, grab one end and try to get under the zip ties, go as far up as possible, and then I insert in the drill. And now we got an ultimate cleaning technique here. WD the heads. There are no there's no valve. There's no rubber seal here for the valve on this exhaust side. So now I haven't done this on the exhaust side. I mean on the other side. The intake maybe. But now I just kind of spin it in here. Seems like I got a bad grip on it. It's also good wrist action. Whoa. Oh man. Sometimes it goes buck wild on me. This is a dangerous invention. Only to be used by professionals such as myself. Or you could actually get injured pretty badly, I feel. Gotta give it a little preload. So there you have it. Again, towel, wipe it down. Check the cleanliness. Oh my god, it's sparkling. It is sparkling in there. There is some gunk still on the top, and now I gotta kind of do this by hand. This is probably the biggest pain. I was just going around all of this. So now that's cleaned. Gotta wipe this down. Alright. Oh man, it's a lot of lapping. What up? Just finishing these valves finally. You know, just making sure they're shiny as shit. I guess this is reseating the valves. So it's like a paste that you put in here, and it kind of like smooths it down for you, so it's like nice and seated. How's my form? Have you ever done this? Yeah? Were they a lot bigger? Yeah. Probably like that size. That hammer over there. That, not hammer, but holy shit. I wonder if this smaller one works better. Probably not. Nope. Oh. It's definitely good. Now, boom. Take it out. Remove this nasty ass paste. All of it. Check out that seat. Looks sexy. Oh my god. I'm proud of it. I'm proud of these valves. Alright, camera died, so I just gotta put in this last little valve clip, valve spring. It's hella small. There it goes. Pretty easy to get in when you start doing a lot of them. And then those just kind of lock up as you take it out. And there you have it. The valves have all been cleaned. And I'm gonna go over all these I'm not going to do WD-40 on the inside though. I'm going to use this B12 chem tool and one of these clean towels. Just kind of go over the inside and then lap it with the compound. I'm going to go over all of them again. Yeah, looking pretty good, baby. We're just waiting on gaskets.